All right, we have a minor advance today in gold, and it is on track to close at its highest closing price ever. The market's not closed yet, but it's currently trading at 23.88. The previous close was at 23.24. So it looks like there's a good chance that we could have a record close. However, today's price action is not that promising as it broke out to a 5-day high, hit resistance at the day's high of 24.18, which is also the week's high, and now it's pulled back. It's on track to close in the lower third of the day's range. That's not particularly bearish. However, gold is retaining support of its blue 8-period moving average, and it is still in a clear uptrend. There's still the potential to go higher. Next week, fortunately, we have a little bit better of a setup that should provide some clarity as it's an inside week. That means a breakout above the high of 24.18 provides a bullish signal, and then we need to see continued bullish behavior to confirm that breakout. And then also on the downside, a breakdown below the week's low at 23.24 signals a likely deeper retracement than we've had on the daily so far. You don't see that on the weekly, but you see it on the daily. And in that case, then going back to the daily, sorry, this is just a weekly now. I'm going back to the daily. The first time we already retraced by 38.2%. So the next level is this purple 20 moving average at 23.01 roughly, combined with the 50% retracement at 22.89. However, the other thing that could occur is gold could just chop around for a while, and rather than doing a retracement, it essentially corrects through the time of going sideways in consolidation as it prepares for a continuation. Either of those scenarios are likely, and I think that given the behavior in the last couple weeks, which is essentially a slow-moving rise in consolidation, that becomes more possible to happen, and that could occur above this line right here, it could occur above this line, or it could continue to retain support of the 8-period moving average. The next upper targets are up here at 24.62 and 24.81, and there's more details on that in today's article. If you're just watching the video, go to the article. You see more details of how those targets are derived, and they're long-term, solid, significant potential targets. Anyway, that is it for gold traders. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.